This is the oven which we do Kalani's. What we do, bake queen cakes. Look inside how gorgeous the queen cakes looks like. Look how they are after finish baking them, and it will remain to do the packaging. This is our products. Kalani's Bakery queen cakes, tomorrow's orders. Queen cakes, we've already packaged them and placed them in the crates for tomorrow's delivery. Kalani's. Welcome back. This is what today I'm doing, baking, making buns. I did baking today queen cakes, and now I'm doing buns for tomorrow's orders, which we've received just a couple of packets, and I give thanks to my Heavenly Father for the orders. We do baking, queen cakes, even we do delivery. Kalani's does everything, snacks, even outside catering we do, but mostly we are dwelling on baking. Buns. What we baked. This is even part of our orders, tomorrow's orders, buns for delivery. Packaging of buns. This is a buns which I was doing yesterday, Kalani's, which you're going to do delivery today for. It's a new product.